Hi, this is Sydney from Ophélie Tricot, and in this video I'm going to show you how to work some part of the shawl pain parasol. I'm going to show you how to knit the CDD using two colors and how to have consistent yarn overs. The exact beginning of each section of this video can be found in the description below. Remember, this video is not a tutorial to knit the pain parasol shawl. I have worked a few rows here, so it's easier for you to see how the double decrease will work. However, you will be beginning directly with the cast on and row number 1. First, we are going to knit 2 stitches. 1, 2, yarn over, knit 2. We are at the first CDD in C1. The CDD is worked over 3 stitches. We are going to slip 2 stitches together, knit into the one but using both colors, C1 and C2. You simply wrap both yarn around your needles and bring both colors into the stitch. And then we will pass the slip stitch over the worked stitch. And we are going to finish the row with C2. Knit 2, yarn over, and knit 2. That's how you work the first CDD. On row number 2, we are going to knit 2, yarn over, purl to the CDD, which is easy to see because it's the only stitch made with 2 colors. We are going to grab C1, wrap both colors around the stitch, around the needle, and bring both yarn into the stitch. And finish the row with C1. Purl to the last 2 stitches, yarn over, and knit 2. On row 3, I'm going to show you how you will always work the CDD on the right side of your knit. It will be knit 2, yarn over, knit, to 1 stitch before the CDD, which is easy to see because the CDD has both colors. And again, we are going to use 3 stitches to work the CDD. 1, 2, and 3. We are going to slip 2 stitches together, knit into the 3rd with both colors, and pass the slip stitch over the work stitch. And we finish the row with C2 by knitting to the last 2 stitches, yarn over, knit 2. Row number 4, how to work the CDD on every wrong side. It is knit 2, yarn over, purl to the CDD, which is the only stitch worked with 2 colors, work the CDD with both colors, with C1, purl to the last 2 stitches, yarn over, and knit 2. So you can see your CDD, it's the only stitch worked with both colors. Row 17 goes like this. Knit 2, yarn over by bringing the yarn above right needle, in between both needle and to the back. Knit into the yarn over made at row 16 into the back loop so it stays open. And now yarn over in between a knit stitch and a purl stitch, which is bring yarn forwards in between both needles, above right needle and back to the front in between both needles. Purl 3, work pain parasol CDD, purl 3, and now to do the yarn over in between a purl stitch and a knit stitch, we are going to bring the yarn to the back, above right needle and again to the back. So we are ready to work the central CDD. And now with C2 we finish the row by knitting to the last 2 stitches, yarn over, knit 2. Row 18 goes like this. Knit 2, yarn over. And here the yarn over is the same that the one from pain parasol because we go from knit stitch to a purl stitch. So I'm going to bring the yarn forward in between both needles, above the right needle and back to the front. And the yarn over I made at the end of row 17, I'm going to purl it into the back leg so the yarn over stays open. I can purl to the CDD, I purl CDD with both colors, pick up C1 and work the end of the row, working the yarn over I need into the back loop so they stays open. I keep purling until I get to the next yarn over. Which is in the right direction, so I can purl it into the front leg. The yarn over made here, I cannot purl it into the front leg or I'm going to cross both legs. Therefore, I purl it into the back leg. Do my yarn over all around the right needle and knit 2. To work a yarn over in between a knit stitch and a purl stitch, I bring the yarn forwards in between both needles, wrap it around right needle to bring the yarn again into the front in between both needles, and I can purl the following stitches. To purl a yarn over made it in between a knit stitch and a purl stitch, I'm going to purl the yarn over behind the front leg. To work a yarn over in between a purl stitch and a knit stitch, I bring the yarn to the back in between both needles, around right needle and to the back again. And now I can knit my stitches. To purl into a yarn over made in between a purl stitch and a knit stitch, I'm going to work behind the back leg of the yarn over. Thank you for watching this video. Remember that what you learn about the yarn overs can be applied on any other pattern that tells you to yarn over in between a knit stitch and a purl stitch. You can find my other videos here, and remember to subscribe here so you can see whenever a new video is up. Bye!